everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new unique platform. From this platform you can simply earn money and get more reward. So without wasting our time we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notification. So simply we can go to the website. As you can see, the website was open. Creator X is the name of this platform, and it's a very unique thing for you. You can earn crypto tokens, coins, and also increase your assets from this platform. It's just like a TikTok, Instagram. You can simply be the member of this project and get more rewards and many more things you can see. So must read the detail, and the link and about this project detail was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join this project. So as you can see, the website was showing on screen. You can see live market chart, point center, each and everything you can see. First of all, you can create your account, connect your wallet from MetaMask or a Coinbase. Simply I have a MetaMask wallet, so simply I will connect it, and then I will tell you how you can participate in this platform. Simply I connect my wallet, and then I will tell you how you can be the member of this project. So simply, as you can see, my wallet was successfully connect from this platform, and now you can see the detail about this project. As you can see, reward center was showing on screen, total number, market transactions, and each and everything was showing, token launch and many more things you can see. Now I will share with you the live option, and now you can see market was available. The coin was also showing on screen. AI proxy, simply you can trade on it. Simply click on a trade option. As you can see, current chart live was open. You can simply buy or sell and trade on it. The volume and market cap was showing on screen. So it's growing very fastly and give you many more opportunities of earning. So must participate in it and be the member of this project. Now you can see about us detail was also available. You can see KYC and platform overview, each and everything was available. As you can see, third party platform integration and its impact and risk reward, each and everything was available. So must read it for more information. Now you can see Creator X application details. So it's a very important part because it's tell you about how platform works and how give you benefits. So must participate in it. It's a simple method to be the member of this project. I will tell you. Now we can go back to the website. I will tell you how you can trade and how you can be the member of this project. Simply you can click on token launch, so you can simply launch your token. Simply connect with Twitter, and you can simply launch it and you can be the member of this project. So it's a very simple and easy method for you. So now I will tell you how you can download the application of this project. You can see download option was available, and the benefits of application was showing on screen. Testing app with test flight. You can see the detail, and link of this test flight was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join it. First you can install it in your iOS or Android mobile, then you can sign up your account and be the member of this project. I will tell you how you can participate in it and install the application and the member of this project. Before this, I will tell you, you can must join the social media account of this project. So friend, as you can see, the Twitter account of this project was showing on screen. Must follow it for latest updates and news. As you can see, many more announcements and detail was sharing on this social media account. So must participate in it and be the member of this project. Also join the test flight. I will tell you how you can join. Simply install the application of Creator X, and then you can make your account with this referral link. It was also available in the description, and then you can earn rewards and many more things. So must follow it for latest updates and news, and also join the Telegram community of this project to get many more updates about this project. So hopefully you will know each and everything about this project and how much the opportunity it will give to you, and earning method. Now I will tell you about application detail, how you can create your account and then be the member of this project. So friend, as you can see, the project was open in mobile phone, and I will tell you, just like a TikTok or Instagram, you can simply scroll and earn money. So first you can make your account. Simply click on create wallet. If you don't have any account, so simply click on create account, then you can set your password, wallet password, then create it. I will select it, then I will tell you how you can do next. So friends, simply I select my password, and now I creating my account. Simply I click on create it now, and then you can see the account was successfully created. And you can see some reels and many more things, as you can see on TikTok, on Instagram, as you can see. So it's a very simple and easy method, and must participate in it. Then you can simply go to the next option. As you can see, new current pairs and new currencies tokens was also available. I will already tell you on laptop screen. Now you can see a wallet detail was also sharing. You can have a send option, receive option, or a asset option was also available. You can get your assets in Ethereum or USDC. Both option was available. You have an option of messaging, and then you have your account. You can simply showing your likes, followers, and many more things. As you can see, launch your token, invite friend, both option was available. Simply you invite your friends to get more reward. As you can see, invitation link was available. Simply copy it and get more rewards from this method. So it's a very good opportunity for you. Next, you can see launch token option was available. Simply click on it and you can simply launch your own token. I will already tell you how you can launch it and how you can get the member of this project. So hopefully you will like each and everything and know how project works. So must participate in it and be the member of this project and get more rewards. And I will tell you every method of earning. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meet in next video.